There is so much cash inside Mom's wallet today. Mom will definitely think Rose stole this money out of anger.
Did you sneak into my room and steal my money today?
Steal? No, I did not take your money at all.
Do not lie to me. I know you took it. Confess now.
Oops! Look what happened. My beautiful controller is completely broken. Are you crazy? Why did you smash your own controller? Come here right now! Help me! Stop screaming. You are going to make Mom angry.
That controller was very expensive. Go straight to your room, Rose. You are punished. No internet and no dinner for you tonight.
This is so unfair. I am innocent.
I said go to your room immediately. No more talking.
Thank you, Mom. You always protect me from her bad temper. I love watching this television show today. It is my absolute favorite. The characters in this movie are so funny. I cannot stop laughing. Excuse me, Sarah. Can you please turn down the volume? No, I cannot. I am watching my favorite show right now. But I have a very important math test tomorrow morning. I need a quiet place to study and do my homework. That is your problem, not men. Go study in your bedroom. My bedroom is too dark. The light is broken today. I do not care. I was here first. Leave me alone. The living room is for everyone. You cannot force me to leave. If you do not leave, I will make you leave right now. You are acting like a bully. That is not fair. You know, Mom always listens to me. She loves me more. If you do not disappear in 3 seconds, you will regret it. I am not moving. I am just going to sit here and study.
Fine. You asked for this. Do not blame me later.
I am going to make sure you get in big trouble today. I will just ignore her and focus on my math problems. These math equations are very difficult. I need to concentrate. She is still sitting there. This is making me very angry. Please stop walking around. You are distracting me from my work. I will do whatever I want. This is my house, too. Maybe I should play my new video game instead of watching TV. I am going to turn the volume up to the maximum level. Sarah, please. That is way too loud for me to think. This is so much fun. I am going to win this level. I must finish this assignment before dinner time. Oops, I did not see your ugly bag on the floor. Stop kicking my things. You are doing that on purpose. I told you to leave. You should have listened to me. I have a brilliant idea to make you leave forever. It is time to execute my perfect evil plan. This game controller is very expensive. Mom bought it for me. Watch very carefully, little sister. What are you doing with that? Put it down. Oops! Look what happened! My beautiful controller is completely broken. Are you crazy? Why did you smash your own controller? Come here right now! Help me! Stop screaming. You are going to make Mom angry.
What is that loud noise? What is going on in here?
Oh my God. Sarah, your brand new expensive game controller.
What happened to it? Who did this? Rose was angry because I did not turn off the TV. She pushed me, grabbed the controller, and smashed it on the floor. What? No, Mom. That is a terrible lie. She threw it herself because I wanted to study here.
Why are you always fighting with your older sister, Rose?
She just wanted to relax and watch some television after school.
Mom, please listen to me. I did not touch it at all. Look at my hands. I am holding my notebook and pen.
I do not want to hear any of your excuses today.
That controller was very expensive. Go straight to your room, Rose. You are punished. No internet and no dinner for you tonight.
This is so unfair. I am innocent.
I said go to your room immediately. No more talking.
Thank you, Mom. You always protect me from her bad temper.
Do not worry, sweetheart. I will buy you a new one tomorrow.
I cannot believe she destroyed her own toy just to hurt me. I wish Dad was here. He would listen to my side of the story. Enjoy your punishment, loser. You deserved it. Please just leave me alone. I am trying to study. I am the queen of this house. Everyone loves me more. Now I can finally play my games in complete peace.
I will have to buy another controller online tonight.
Can you buy me the pink one this time, Mom?
Of course, sweetheart. Whatever makes you happy after that traumatic experience.
Life is so easy when you know how to play the game. My stomach hurts so much. I wish I could eat some dinner. I am so hungry. I did not have any dinner tonight. At least I can have a warm glass of milk while studying. Well, look who is awake in the middle of the night. Please leave me alone, Sara. I have a test tomorrow. I am just thirsty. I need to get some cold water. There is plenty of space. Just get your water and go. Oops, my hand slipped. Such a clumps mistake. Are you insane? You spilled milk all over my math homework. My homework is completely ruined. This is a total disaster. Mom, help! Rose is throwing things in the kitchen. She is acting totally crazy and violent tonight. Why are you doing this to me? You are so evil.
What is going on here? Who spilled milk all over the table? I just cleaned this kitchen 2 hours ago. This is unacceptable.
Rose did it again, Mom. She is so angry and clumsy.
Why is it always a huge mess when you are here, Rose?
Mom, no. I was just sitting here drinking my milk quietly. Sara bumped the table with her own hands maliciously.
Stop lying right now. Sara would never do something like that.
I am telling the absolute truth. She hates me so much, Mom. I was just trying to get some water to drink, Mom. She got angry and pushed the glass aggressively toward me.
Stop blaming your sister for your own terrible mistakes.
I am completely innocent. Why don't you ever trust me?
Clean up this messy kitchen right now. I am extremely disappointed.
This cold floor is so disgusting. My hands are so dirty.
You missed a spot right there. Keep cleaning, little maid.
One day, Mom and Dad will find out the real truth. I keep dreaming, loser. They will always choose me over you forever. My knees are hurting. I cannot wait to grow up and leave.
Go wash your hands and go straight to bed. No more milk.
Yes, Mom. Good night. That was highly entertaining. She looked so pathetic down there. Tomorrow is going to be another fun day for me.
I do not understand why Rose is acting so rebellious lately. I hope she learns her lesson soon.
Now I have the perfect plan to ruin her life completely. Wow, there is so much cash inside Mom's wallet today. Mom will definitely think Rose stole this money out of anger. Let's put this empty wallet right inside Rose's school bag. This is going to be the best trick I have ever played. What are you doing in my room right now? Get out! I was just looking for my favorite blue pen. You are not welcome here. Leave my things completely alone. Your room is so messy anyway. I am leaving now.
Where is my wallet? I left it right on the table. All of my grocery money was inside that wallet. I saw Rose walking out of your room this morning, Mom. Are you serious? Did she actually go into my room?
Yes. She looked very suspicious. She was holding something behind her back. Maybe you should check her bedroom right now to be sure.
Rose, come down here to the living room right now.
What is wrong, Mom? Why are you shouting my name?
Did you sneak into my room and steal my money today?
Steal?
No, I did not take your money at all.
Do not lie to me. I know you took it. Confess now.
You can check everything. I promise I am completely innocent.
Let me check your bag right now. We will see the truth.
Then what is this empty wallet doing inside your bag?
I do not know. I swear I did not put it there.
I found my empty wallet inside your bag. This is unbelievable.
Stealing is a serious crime in this house. You are a thief.
Maybe she took the money to run away from home secretly.
You are grounded for a whole month. No internet, no television. You are absolutely forbidden from going out anywhere with your friends.
My life is completely ruined. Everyone hates me in this house. Calm down, Mom. Do not let her terrible behavior ruin your health.
You are such a good daughter, Sara. Thank you so much. I am going to call your father right now. He will handle this.
No, Mom. Dad is very busy at work today. Do not call him.
You are right. I will talk to him when he comes home tonight.
My heart is broken. I have never stolen anything in my life. Everything is going exactly according to my perfect plan. Why does Sara hate me so much? I just want peace. I did not steal the money. I am a good person.
Stop crying, loser. Listen carefully to what I say.
What do you want now? Have you not done enough? I have the money right here. But you will take the blame. When Dad comes home tonight, you will tell him you took it. No, I will never confess to a terrible crime I did not commit. If you do not listen to me, I will completely destroy this. This is Mom's favorite crystal vase. If I break it, she will kick you out. You are a monster. Please do not break her favorite vase. Fine, I will do it. I will tell Dad I stole the money. Good girl. You finally learned how to obey your older sister. Remember, if you tell the truth, I will destroy everything you love. I hate you. Please just leave my room right now.
Oh my God. So it was Sara all along. She is the thief. She framed her sister for absolutely everything today.
I have been punishing the wrong child this whole time. I am a terrible mother. I never believed my innocent daughter.
Sara, look at me right now. Did you steal the money?
No, Mom. Rose did it. I told you before. She is lying.
Tell the truth. I heard every single word you just said to Rose. The stolen money is right there on the floor. Explain that.
Mom, I can explain. It was just a small, funny joke.
A joke? You tortured your sister and called it a joke?
I am home. What is going on upstairs? Why is everyone yelling?
What is happening here? Why is Rose crying so much?
Brian, Sarah stole my money and framed Rose for everything.
Is this true, Sara? Did you really do all these horrible things? Did you smash the controller, spill the milk, and steal the money?
Yes, I did it. I stole it. I was so jealous of Rose.
I am so sorry for my actions. Please forgive me, Dad.
I am deeply ashamed of you, Sara. Your behavior is unacceptable.
You are severely punished. You will clean the entire house for a month.
And you will use your allowance to return the stolen money immediately.
Please, Dad. I will never do it again. Forgive me.
No internet or television for you until you learn how to behave.
Rose, my sweet girl, I am so sorry. Can you ever forgive me?
It is okay, Mom. Sarah is very convincing sometimes. I understand. Dad, please do not be too hard on her. She made a big mistake.
You have such a beautiful and forgiving heart, Rose.
She is still my sister, and family is important to me.
Sara, your punishment is slightly reduced because Rose chose to forgive you today.
I am so sorry, Rose. I was very wrong and terribly mean. I forgive you. Let's just try to be a happy family again.
We must always protect, love, and trust each other from now on.
Did you have fun learning English with us today? Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to learn more words.